Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to confirm one thing first. The Evolve 65 does not include hardware active noise cancellation, so you'll optimize isolation and software noise reduction instead. Once done, power the headset and pair it to your computer or USB dongle. Then install and open Jabra Direct. It's required to change call and microphone noise settings and to apply firmware updates. Make sure your headset firmware is up to date before moving on so software controls behave predictably and deliver the best passive isolation. With Jabra Direct open and the Evolve 65 selected, run any available firmware updates. This fixes performance quirks. Next, open the device's sound or call settings inside Direct. Enable the microphone noise reduction or call noise suppression option. This reduces background noise being transmitted. Also adjust side tone so you hear yourself without raising volume. That prevents you from speaking louder and letting more ambient noise in. Once you've applied settings, test with a quick call or recording to verify improvement. Finish by seating the headset correctly. Adjust the headband and press ear cushions to seal around the ear for best passive isolation. Make a test call and compare USB dongle versus Bluetooth. USB typically offers more reliable noise reduction. If background noise remains, toggle the software noise suppression options and rerun a test. If things go wrong, restart Jabra Direct, repair the headset or switch USB ports, and, if needed, reinstall Direct or contact support. One quick tip: firmware mismatches often cause inconsistent behavior, so recheck updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.